Okay, I'm gonna make the groups and please discuss with your classmate your answers.
I I think
Nathanael, Nathanael, what's going on with you? Why you're not practicing in the classes? Is everything okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Only I have a problem with the PDF in the laptop.
Oh, so if you want, you can
Me
send that
la,
picture.
me la reinicia.
Oh, okay. So if you
Pues,
want, I can send the picture in the group so you can work with it, okay?
okay.
So maybe you, Andrea, you can start with your exercises, okay?
um, in the first sentence, I think the correct is there is too much. There there is too much traffic in the city. There should be fewer, I think. The, how pronounce it? How pronounce your word? It's
How do
okay.
I pronounce?
How do I pronounce fewer? It's
Fewer,
okay.
yes, it's okay.
Fewer cars downtown.
Bad. Okay,
The
I'm not sure.
sentences,
Wait, wait, wait a minute. The sentences is, you're right, we should have more buses. There isn't or aren't, no, isn't or aren't enough of them during rush hour. It's unaccountable, no,
isn't accountable, isn't.
isn't, okay.
Uh-huh. The next one, too much.
Are or is.
Huh?
It's
Is there are
different.
different or too much or too few?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Too much
Huh?
and are or is.
Uh-huh. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Teacher, we are, I don't know what is the different few and less or less here
Oh,
is.
Yes, there are differences. Here we don't have them, but don't worry because I'm going to explain to you in good,
Okay,
okay? But I will keep it for the rest of the class, okay?
okay.
yes, please,
Because
because
we have different answer.
Yes,
different
okay.
answers.
Don't worry.
Okay, we finish.
Finish.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. Before going to the activity, some students were asking me the difference between fewer and less. Okay, and I'm going to show to you this image. So look, we have the differences, sorry. It says less versus fewer. Less used when talking about things that are uncountable or have no plural. Okay? It's compatible with collective nouns, non-countable nouns, and volumes. Example, the moon yields less light than the sun. We must try to spend less money. Remember, money is not countable. It's different when we say $1, $2, $3, etc. But the word money is uncountable. And many women earn, less than their male colleagues. Then fewer, used when talking about things or people in the plural. Used countable nouns and individual items. Examples, she needs fewer clothes this month. Women commit fewer crimes than men. I've got fewer tasks than I used to. So remember, less is for uncountable and fewer for countable. Yes, that is the difference. So now that we know that, let's share our answers. So here we go. It says number 1. Who wants to give me number 1?
Me, teacher.
Thank you, Ivania, for sharing. Okay, go ahead, Diana.
Okay, there's too much traffic in the city. There should be fewer cars downtown.
Okay, so there should be fewer because cars are countables. Okay, thank you so much. B.
Follow?
Okay, sure.
Follow? Well,
Yes,
the,
go ahead.
the problem is there isn't enough public transportation.
Okay, and A? Finish that one, Diana, please.
And you're right, we should have more buses. There isn't enough of them during rush hour.
Okay, there isn't. Are you sure is there isn't or there aren't? Because you're talking about the buses.
Okay, aren't. Yes.
There aren't enough, okay, of them during rush hour. Okay, thank you so much, Diana. Number 2. Volunteer.
Me, teacher.
Kelvin, go ahead.
Number 2, how do you like your new neighborhood? It's terrible. Actually, there's too much noise and too few parking.
Very good. Too few parking. Letter A, the same one, Kelvin.
That's too bad. There isn't enough parking spaces in my neighborhood either.
Okay, wait. That's too bad. There isn't or there aren't enough parking spaces.
Aren't.
It's different, Kelvin. If we have just parking, that will be isn't, because parking is uncountable and it's singular word. But when you put the other word, parking spaces, it becomes plural. Okay, so in this case, there aren't enough parking spaces in my neighborhood either. Okay, thank you so much. 3.
Me, teacher.
Okay, go ahead.
3. Did you hear about the change to the city center? Starting next month, there will be more bicycle lines
Mhm.
and fewer street parking. I don't know if
Let's see, and fewer. I would say less because it's singular.
okay, but the first one is right.
Yes,
Lanes.
it's okay. Yes,
Okay,
it's
thank
okay. Thank you. Then letter B from number 3. Who has it?
Me, coach.
Okay.
Me, teacher. That's good. There are too many pollution download. I'm sure there will be less accident too.
That's good. So, Milena, that's good. There, and then you have pollution. Is it plural or singular?
Oh, plural. No.
Singular. Pollution. Pollution is uncountable.
Oh,
So that will
true.
be
Is too much.
too much. There is too
There
much
is too much
pollution downtown.
pollution downtown. Okay.
Then you have, I'm sure there will be.
Less.
No, because less is for uncountable. And here, Milena, we have accidents in plural.
Oh, fewer.
Fewer. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So remember, guys, Ivania sent to the group the chart that I put. Fewer for countable and less is for uncountable, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Now we have one more activity here. This is from the book, and it says, complete the statements about city problems. Okay, then we are going to compare. More than one answer may be possible. We need, then we have public schools, there are accident, public parks, noise all the time, recycling in our city. And we have 8 sentences that you have to complete, okay? Could you please do it? So you can complete them with this vocabulary. Too many, fewer, more, enough, too much, less, more, enough. Okay? That's what you have to do. And you have to be careful which vocabulary you are going to use depending on the word or the vocabulary you have here at the end. Could you please work on that? For example, number 1, let's do it together. We need, and then we have public schools. What do you think we can put here?
More.
More, we need more
Too
public
many.
schools. Okay. Too many, it's negative. So if you want something positive, it's just more. Okay. So that's what you have to do. Can you please work on that? And when you're done, let me know, please. Remember, it can be positive or negative, okay?
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Milena.
I don't, teacher.
Thank you.
I don't, teacher.
All right.
I
Yeah.
don't, teacher.
Thank you, guys. Okay, I think most of you are done. So I'm gonna make the groups right now. And let's see the ones you could get, okay? Remember, you don't have to speak Spanish in the groups, right? Okay, let's see. Here we go.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Are you ready? Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you hear me, Nathanael?
Nathanael.
Nathanael, hello.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, hello. You ready, Nathanael?
Can you repeat?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The first question is, we need and I select more public schools
Me too, yes.
in Nathanael.
Can you repeat the question, please?
And we need, I select more public schools.
Mhm.
I don't understand very good the question.
Oh, is the complete the page 9.
Can you write the question in the chat?
Is the complete the exercise
Paragraph.
part 8, the page 9, the book.
So because of the time, maybe you can continue. So Nathanael, you didn't understand the activity, right?
Yes, teacher.
So please, Nathanael, if you don't understand something, let me know because I'm going to explain to you again. Don't worry about that, okay? But right
Okay,
now,
teacher.
because of the time, continue and then we are going to check together.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
There is no there is not many people recycling. I don't remember the.
In our city.
Uh,
Then the six,
the
this what, how,
Okay.
And the eighth, in
Eight
negative,
is
there aren't
orange.
enough free Wi-Fi hotspots.
No.
All right, thank you guys. So let's see, volunteers, you can read the sentences. Give me number one, please.
Me. More. We need more public schools.
Thank you so much. We need more public schools. Thank you. Number two,
Me.
okay?
There are too many accidents.
Yes, right. There are too many, okay? Three,
there are too many parks.
there are too many public parks. Remember,
or fewer. It's possible, teacher. Fewer.
sorry?
It's possible. The number three. There are a fewer public parks.
Yes, I wouldn't say too many, Andrea, because too many means negative. And you are saying, no, that is, I mean, there are, sorry, too many. I mean, something bad. I think that if there are a lot of public parks, that is okay. Okay, it is not something negative. And if we put too many, it means negative, okay, something negative. So what you said, Kelvin, one more time, there are?
There are fewer public parks.
There are fewer public parks. Okay, maybe you are comparing some years ago and now you think that there are fewer public parks. That can be possible, Xiomara.
Yes, I wrote more. There are more public parks, but I'm not sure.
Yes, that is okay. You can say, well, now there are more public parks.
Ah, okay.
That's
Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you. Number four.
Teacher.
There is too much.
Emmanuel?
Okay. Number four, there is too much noisy all the time.
There is too much noise all the time, okay? Too much. Five. Sorry.
There isn't many people cycling in our city.
There isn't. No. Because if you are using people, that would be there are. So it cannot be possible. What do you think?
I bring here there is not more recycling in our city.
There is not.
There is not more. Or there is not enough.
There isn't. We can
Not
put it in
enough.
negative. Enough.
Mhm.
Yes. Recycling in our city. And of course, I agree with that, right? Because here we don't find a lot of places that we can have this process, right? 6. Volunteer.
The government,
The government.
the government should build enough or too many affordable
Affordable.
housing.
Okay.
What?
Affordable.
Affordable.
The government
Affordable.
should build.
Too many.
Not too many, because remember when we use too many, it means something negative, sorry.
Negative. Oh, okay. The government should build enough
Enough.
affordable housing.
Yes, yes, I like that one better, okay? Or that can be more also, okay? Number 7.
The city needs too many bicycle lanes. I wrote, I don't know.
The city needs.
Needs too many bicycle lanes. No.
Not too many. Remember, guys, when we say too many or too much, it means something negative. The meaning is negative. So in this case, I would say the city needs
More.
more. But if you
More
say too
Okay.
many, es como, ay, no, hay demasiados, okay? That is too much or too many. So it is something negative, right? In that case, the city needs more bicycle lanes, okay?
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Number 8.
There aren't enough free Wi-Fi hotspots.
There aren't enough. Okay, that is not enough. Okay, free Wi-Fi hotspot. All right, thank you so much. That was much better, right? Now we have this, and this is going to be homework for tomorrow. It says, write sentences about the city or town you are living in. Then we are going to compare, and we have the beginning. The city should provide more, and then you complete the sentence with the information from the city or the place where you live. We have too many, there's too much, there isn't enough, there should be fewer, we don't have enough, there should be less, we need more. So I want you to complete these 8 beginnings of the sentence with the information from the place where you live. This is going to be homework, okay? Don't forget for tomorrow, write the sentences. Right now we have a short listening, and it says, listen to a city resident talked to her, Xiomara?
Yes, excuse me, teacher. I can listen you because I hear cortante.
Okay, I was saying that for tomorrow, this is homework. You have to complete the sentences with information from the place where you live, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So here I will say in Santa Ana, right? The city should provide more
Tourist activity.
sorry?
More tourist activities.
Yes, right? That can be possible, okay? So depending on the problems or the needs that we have from the place where you live, you have to complete this information, okay? That's what you're going to do. All right, so right now, I know we are not going to finish, but we have a listening, and it says, listen to a resident talk to her new neighbor. about the city. We have to check true and false. Right now, just pay attention because tomorrow we are going to work on this because of the time, okay? Pay attention.
Page 9. Exercise 4. Listening. It'll take forever. Part A. Listen to a city resident talk to her new neighbor about the city. Check true or false for each statement.
Hi there. I'm Sophia. You must be my new neighbor.
Yes, hi. My name's Jacob.
Welcome to the building. Are you all moved in?
I am. Tomorrow I start my new job downtown.
That's great. So you have a car?
No, I don't. I was planning to take the bus there.
Oh, you don't want to do that. It'll take forever. There aren't enough buses in this city. We really need more public transportation.
Really?
Yeah, everyone has a car. And in summer, there are way too many tourists, so there are even more cars than usual right now. And don't even ask about parking.
Well, I really don't want to buy a car. Is it safe to ride a bike?
Yeah, people ride their bikes a lot, actually. Do you have one?
No, I don't. But I guess I'll buy one.
If you want, you can borrow my bike tomorrow, and I know a great bike shop I can recommend.
Wow, thanks, Sophia. I appreciate it.
All right, so we are not going to complete this activity today, but if you could listen, they are talking about some problems they have in their neighbor. So we're gonna stop here today. Thank you so much, guys, for being in the class, for participating. Don't forget the homework, the sentences for tomorrow's class, and we are going to compare with our classmates. Good night, everybody. It was a pleasure to see you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care, teacher.
Bye, teacher. Good night.
Bye.
night.
Good night.